Hi everyone, my name is Prudol and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys kind of like a haul. It's going to be a very random haul because there are a lot of different things that I'm going to be showing you, right from clothes, shoes, bags, snacks, electronics. Is a mix of everything. You ask why did I buy all of these things? So basically I am going away on a vacation slash honeymoon very soon, and I didn't want to necessarily shop for clothes. I have shopped for a few clothing items here and there, but I didn't want to full on buy an entire outfit, rather an entire closet. I've just decided to reuse the clothes that I have, borrow it from friends and family, but I have bought a few things, of course. So that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video. No matter how much I try to not shop from H&M, थोड़ा सा shopping तो हो ही जाता है from them. So first thing that I have is actually a backpack, and this wasn't supposed to be for me. I picked this one up for Aditya. This is what it looks like. Very cute. He's been wanting a new backpack, so I thought that this would do the job. It's pretty big and I love the all black on black thing. The material is also waterproof, so I thought this would be perfect, but he doesn't like it. He's rejected this bag because it doesn't have a zip. And every time we travel, Aditya feels the need to put a lock on his backpack, so he can't use this bag. So guess what? I'm going to be using this bag. Anyway, मुझे भी एक backpack चाहिए थी because laptop and all of that, carrying it in a tote gets a little bit overwhelming. Especially our flight is going to be like a really long flight, and we have 2 flights also back to back. So I feel like a backpack is the way to go. And yeah, I think it's really cute. It's a unisex bag, so yeah, it'll work for me as well. I've picked up 2 more bags. Bags are really my weakness. So ये वाली एक bag है, which I think is such a good big size, and this also comes with straps. So on the website I saw that you could wear this bag, like change the shape of the bag, kind of ऐसे हो जाती है ये bag. I don't know कैसे, I need to figure it out, but I thought this is such a good size for a day-to-day basis, travel, touristy things करने के लिए. It's gonna fit all of my stuff, my cameras, my lights, my tripod. So I thought that this would be really nice, and I am very happy with the way it's looking. Similarly, एक black bag के साथ मैंने सोचा एक nude bag भी ले लेती हूँ because these are the only 2 bags that I'm going to be carrying. This feels a little okay. Like, I don't love the way it looks. On camera it still looks alright, but in real life the color is a little bit off, and it also feels very cheap-ish, and it's not that spacious either. Like, for some reason in the pictures it looked bigger to me, but it is what it is. I'm gonna use it regardless. One thing that I love from H&M are their PJ sets. I personally love PJs, especially the matching cord sets, and that is all I really wear. A while ago I had picked up PJs from H&M, and they still last me. I've had them for over a year, I'm pretty sure, and I was just so impressed with the way they lasted. So I thought I'll pick a few more PJs up. I will say that their satin PJs are expensive, but they are such good quality. They feel also very comfortable, and of course look great as well. This time I've gone for cotton pieces. This is the first set that I picked up. Very cute nude shorts with a very loose comfy t-shirt. This is actually more like a ribbed material, but it's very comfortable. And then this is such a cute set. Blue pastel, like a powder blue with florals all over it. The top is also so pretty and feminine. I love the lace detailing, and most importantly I know these are going to be so comfortable. Proper clothing में से मैंने सिर्फ एक ही चीज पिकअप किया है, which is this white shirt. H&M does great basics, and I don't actually own a white shirt. I've always just borrowed shirts from Aditya, my dad, or any male that I know in my life. I just borrow their white shirt. But I thought it was time for me to get one that actually fits me well. So I got this plain white shirt. And that's basically it for all the clothing, or in fact anything that I picked up from H&M. Now the next product that we have is actually a current fave of mine. This is the L'Oreal Paris's Panorama Mascara. So this was actually sent to me by the brand, which gave me exclusive access to try this mascara out. And ever since I've tried it, I've been obsessed with it. Okay, we have to start off by talking about the packaging. The beautiful golden packaging makes it feel so luxe. Let's talk about the wand. Now this comes with a multi-level bristle brush. Basically the short bristles add volume and then the long bristles give you that length. Now the true magic lies in the formula. This is enriched with 5% Stretch Flex Complex, which basically wraps each lash for perfectly separated and clump-free volume. And I think you can see for yourself how good it looks. This product is suitable for sensitive eyes and it retails for rupees 9.99 only. In my opinion, it's a great mascara at a great price. So I'm going to make sure to leave all the details about the product in the description box below. Make sure you go check it out. Okay, next we have lots and lots of jewelry from the NV house. So every time, I would say like 80% of the time, the jewelry that I wear is from them, and I knew I had to get more stuff from them for this vacation. And guys, there's a lot. Like a lot. Starting off with the earrings. How cute are these? I'll make sure to pop up prices on the screen because I feel like NV House jewelry is very affordable, but at the same time, it doesn't go bad. Like genuinely, I've never had their jewelry tarnish on me. Then we have these as well. So they do stuff in rose gold and silver as well, but obviously, as you can see, I prefer gold. How elegant are these pearl and gold hoops? Some chunky earrings. I'm obsessed with hoops, there's no denying that. These are quite unique. These kind of remind me of croissant. Bahut cute hai ye. Again, these are also so unique. I'm actually wearing a piece from them as well. They're heart shaped. If you can see, they're so cute. Last pair of earrings, but how cute are these? Looks like caramel. This piece truly deserves a close-up moment. Next up, we have some necklaces. I think this is going to be used a lot by me. Plain gold chain, great for layering or just wearing on its own as well. This one also is so cute. They do some really nice bracelets as well. Unfortunately, मेरे size में कुछ भी available नहीं था. But next time I'm gonna make sure to pick up some bracelets. In case you guys liked any of these products, they've made sure to let me know that they have a special coupon code. I'll pop it up on the screen and leave it in the description as well. But this is not sponsored. I truly love their jewelry. It's always been so unique and such good quality. We're almost done with fashion. Last few things. Picked up these beautiful flats. They're from Code. How pretty are these? They're going to be such good pieces, versatile pieces for the night time and even for the daytime. Honestly, kitne pretty hai, sab cheezon ke saath jayenge. Ballerinas are back in style and I couldn't be happier. I picked up these. These are from Ginger. They don't look that great like when you look at them, but once you wear them, especially with like jeans, it looks so cute. I was so tempted to pick up more ballerinas. I will eventually. These are like pointed ballerinas. They're so comfortable and very stylish. Lastly, I picked up a belt. 90s fashion is back, and how pretty is this belt with like bell bottoms and a plain black top or plain nude top. Very cool. This trip is going to be a special one, so I decided to pick up a film camera from Amazon. I've used these in the past as well. I think last time जब मैं Thailand गई थी, मैं लेके गई थी, and the pictures that turn out, first of all, there's a suspense कि you don't know what you've taken, and after you give them for developing, the fun, the joy that you get when you see all of those pictures, it's really nice. So yeah, pick this up from Amazon. काफी अच्छा है इसका quality. I'll link it down below, just like everything else. And I picked up another tripod. Now this tripod, I have spoken to you guys in the past. So this is like a really good travel tripod. Opens up like this and इतना बड़ा होता है ये, like I can't even fit it in the frame. It's a proper heavy duty tripod. Not heavy duty, it's kind of flimsy. Like if you're going to be using this for your phone, it is meant to be used for your phone, but you could attach your camera as well. I would suggest just use it for your phone because it's a little halka, like हवा भी आएगा ना जोर से तो हिल जाता है. But it does the job, truly does the job, and it's not that expensive either in my opinion. Almost done with the video. Last few things are some snacks. Picked up some instant ginger tea. This is from Wagh Bakri. काफी अच्छा है ये. This is not dip. This is sachet, like इसके अंदर powder होता है. You can mix it either in milk or you can mix it in hot water and it tastes quite nice. Obviously जो proper chai होता है you can't compete with that, but this is pretty close. Picked up some chia seeds. I do not travel without chia seeds because I feel like when you're traveling you usually forget to drink a lot of water, you're eating a lot of bread, तो इससे अच्छा cooling हो जाता है. Like in the morning I'll have 1 glass of this and I'm good to go. The last snack item that I'm going to be taking with me are these. So these are the Doritos Dynamita. I think that's what it's called. मुझे पता भी नहीं था ये क्या था कल तक. So कशिश बहुत ही प्यार से हमारे लिए लेके आई है. So I feel like even before we reach the location they're gonna be gone. But they're very very tasty. It's in the fiery lime and chili flavor. Super tasty. Little bit salivating while I speak. Probably will end up eating this after I'm done shooting this video. But yeah, very yummy. And with that I am going to end my little haul for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. It was a very random one, I do agree, but wanted to share it with you guys. And that's basically it. In case you've made it so far to today's video, make sure to leave this emoji, like this video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Mridul and Aditya as well, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.